What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy M. I hope everyone is having a positive day. Well, today I got another gaming headset review that they sent out to me to test out. This is the Onikuma K1B Pro gaming headset that I'll be testing out. The product will be down in the description below too. You want more information about it? Well, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so let's unbox this. Let's go over the specification real quick. According to the specification on this, it have a 7.1 surround sound, a 50 mm speaker size, LED lights, noise cancellation, high resolution, dynamic speaker, control and strong wire, protein cushion, I don't know, but yeah, protein cushion, low noise microphone. And on this side, as you can see, it will show the compatibility information, what will work for what system. You can see a new Xbox One, green check marks. I mean, it works for Xbox 360. XX so will not work. You gotta check it out right here if this will work for your system or not. So yeah, there you go. This is I've been using this for PC. All right, so let's unbox this. Come with a manual. Gaming headset. And for PC, it will come with a splitter for the audio and mic input. So you plug this into your PC so you can use your headset and the microphone at the same time. Come with nice long wires, braided, so the durability will last longer and doesn't mess up. And here's a controller, have its logo right here. You have the off and on mic, the inline volume control, the logo name, Onikuma, and the USB is to power the LED light. Now let's go over the construction and material of this gaming headset. With every gaming headset that I test as low budget, it's always made out of plastic, like this one, all made out of plastic. It does feel cheap, but the quality is decent enough for a low budget gaming headset. As long as you don't throw or sit on it. All made out of plastic in this area. You got the logo right here, right there, plastic. The only metal part is the adjustable area right here. That's aluminum right here. You have a level light cushion on both sides of the ear cuff, and level light on top for cushion up here. You have nice, good stretchability. Don't do it too much so you don't break it. You got the microphone right here. You go up and down, or you want to twist it like this, whatever your preference is. And also, you could adjust it like this, put it on your ear. You can see like a tilt, a 90 degrees tilt on both sides. 9 degrees, probably like less than 9 degrees, 45 degrees or so. If I'm wrong, comment below. I'm not good at math. Let's test out the LED light. To use the LED, you gotta power it up with the USB. I got my backup battery here just to show you guys. You got LED on this side, on the right side, and LED on the left side, and on the mic tip itself. The only color is blue, so it's not changeable. Like with my other gaming headset that I test out, I'm not a big fan of having a LED light on the tip. I wish you'd have some type of inline control. Like if you turn the mic off, this would shut off. If you turn the mic on, it would come on, let you know that the mic is on. That'd be cool to put that feature in this gaming headset, or a future gaming headset that they build. So let's see how it fits on the head itself. That's the microphone. You can see, swivel up and swivel down. This is the other side. And let's do the head shake. Okay, but to me, this gaming headset, I test other gaming headset with the same company. This one, when you shake your head, it does feel like it's gonna come off. It does come off my ear just a little bit. Just depending on you, it may not come off. For my ear and my head, it's not really that secured. Like you see, it comes off. Well, this is for my head. For you, it may be different. So this is just mine test on my head. So it might be different for you. So yeah, but the comfort feel is not bad at all. Alright guys, so how does the audio mic sound like? So this test that I've been using my cell phone to record to the audio mic. Alright guys, so this is the audio mic coming from the gaming headset itself. So everybody hearing is different as such, so it's totally gonna depend on you what the sound quality sound like. Is what your preference is. So audio mic test 1 2, audio mic test 1 3. How does the sound quality sound like coming from the Onikuma K1B Pro gaming headset? It's your guys' own opinion on it. So if it's good for you or decent enough, and there you go. This is the audio mic test. Again, coming from the gaming headset. 1 2 3, go left, go right. Let's go. Alright guys, so how does the sound quality sound like coming from this gaming headset? Well, when I was playing Rainbow Six Siege, I could hear the ricochets, know how to dodge them and whatnot. I could hear the footsteps and which direction they're coming from, looking back and stuff like that. Obviously not in real life, but when you play video games, you feel so immersed in it, like you feel like they're behind you and whatnot. But yeah, the sound quality on this gaming headset, it's not too shabby. You can hear just fine. Totally depend on your preference and stuff like that. Everybody hearing is different. The mic, voice chat worked as well, just fine. So yeah, and also you guys don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. It would totally help the channel out as well. And also don't forget, when you do get one of these, I showed this in earlier in the video, close up of the compatibility, if it works for the system or whatever console you're using it for. Right now, it does not work for Xbox 360. The PSP, the microphone will not work. The Nintendo Switch, the microphone will not work. The Nintendo 3DS, the microphone will not work. So yeah, let's check the specification out, making sure that this gaming headset will work for whatever system you're using, okay? So you guys don't buy and waste your money if it doesn't work. And also we'll list the description of this product down below as well, so you guys get more information about it. And I will also list other gaming headsets that I previously tested out as well in the link down below to the videos of it. And guys, also don't forget to subscribe and like. It would totally help the channel out, and hopefully this video give you a genuine idea if this gaming headset is good for you guys. Well, you guys, thank you for watching this channel. Your boy is signing out. Deuces.